everybody, welcome to Anfonihara. Today I am at Alsif in Dubai. Wow, look at those lights. They're so pretty. Oh, that's me at the stairs. We're waiting for the fireworks. Oh, it's Mummy. She's near to the light. Okay, we are waiting for the fireworks. You know the photo in the first there, that photo, you know that golden thing, it's FIFA World Cup Qatar, and we need to know who's gonna win it. We only have 5 matches left. Okay, wow, those buildings look so cool, like in the UAE colors. Look at those lights coming in the sky. Can you see that? And there are so many clouds. Oh my goodness, there are so many people crowding. You know why? If you know why, comment below. And I'm gonna say it now. 3, 2, 1. Because they're waiting for the fireworks. Also fireworks in Global Village, but not National Day, I think. In Global Village, once I saw the, what do you say? Yeah, fireworks. Here comes the fireworks. Wow, so cool. It's like the colors in the UAE flag. You know, green and red. I mean, red and green. It's okay. Wow, it's like shape of the flowers. And I have a flower dust. Wow, it's so cool. And circle-ish. Circle. So many circles coming out of nowhere. I see some fog. So foggy. You know, in Alsif, I went one time over there. And what else? Look, that building says 51. 50th was the before National Day. That's 51. It says Happy UAE. Happy National Day. Wow. If you guys live in UAE, comment below. Yeah, there's so many comment below. But you have to comment below. Sorry. Well, you know, in the UAE flag, my favorite color is red. Mostly red. Red is my favorite color, and my dress is also red. And my father's favorite color, black. And I don't know, Mummy always says yellow, and sometimes orange. I don't know, so my mother's favorite color. I only know me and my father. I'm talking about the UAE flag colors, okay? Not like the favorite colors of any random colors like that. The UAE flag. So cool. Is it gonna end? It's not ending, but it's going tiny. Oh, it's taking so long. I could just watch until I sleep. Is it done? Okay, fine. It's not done. Not done. Waiting till it ends. Why to wait till it ends? Because fireworks are very beautiful. Do not worry. It's finished. Donut. Okay. Wow, look at those colors. Okay, so almost the end. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you.